Welcome to EnjoyingArt community. EnjoyingArt.com has a complete interactive learning system. Now I'm going to give you a tour of EnjoyingArt.com. Our tour starts from the homepage. Let's take a look at outside layer of EnjoyingArt.com. Look at the top over here. Login. This is where you're going to log in into your dashboard. Exhibition is connect to our galleries for members exhibition. The store is where you're going to find the suggestions for paints, brushes, and other materials. Gumroad is for non-members to purchase videos. Take a look on the left-hand side over here. This is our mission statement. Members benefits. You click here. On the left-hand side over here, talk about the EnjoyingArt members benefits. At the center over here is for interactive critiques. And the last one is live classes. Let's take a look at exhibition area. This is our exhibition for our members. All EnjoyingArt members can submit artwork to participate in this exhibition. And on the top over here has members in exhibition. And you can read about each member. Okay, let's take a look at the store. The first area, you will see the EnjoyingArt brushes that are used in every demonstrations. From here, you can purchase the EnjoyingArt brushes if you need to. The second one, artist art surprises. In here is separated by a different medium and different categories. We're going to add more links and surprises over here for you to learn about the materials. For example, the paints that we use is Winsor Red, Winsor Yellow, and Present Blue. And when you come in here, product details, view pigments information. You can read about what is inside the paints. And at the bottom over here, we have Artisa. It will bring you into the Artisa store and you will enjoy the discount they offer to EnjoyingArt members. Okay, let's take a look at inside our EnjoyingArt members area. Log in. You need to input your username or email and your password. After you log in, you will see your dashboard. Let's take a look at the different areas on the dashboard. On the left-hand side, what is new for members? When you click here, currently we have a portrait of children classes and oil painting classes are open. All classes that you're going to take, you can enjoy 25% discount for all members. Member exhibitions under here has the latest video lessons. Let's click back to the dashboard. As I just mentioned, all EnjoyingArt classes or programs, you can enjoy the member-only discount code. This is the code you want to copy. When you sign up, make sure you apply this code to get the 25% discount. We have weekly painting moments. We have 2 painting moments in every Friday. Let's take a look at over here. Every time you just log in into the dashboard and then you click on the link, it will bring you into the Zoom event. Most member has 2 devices. One is the computer. We also can see your table through your mobile device. You may also need a stand or holder for your mobile device to put it on top of your artworks. We have suggestions for you, and we're going to take a look at it in a moment. This is the login ID. If you're going to log in with your mobile device, you need to input this Zoom ID and the passcode. The meeting ID and the passcode will be changed every month. Under here, for the coming Friday, what references we are using. For example, for this week, 9 to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we are using this photo reference for our painting together. If you click on the link up here, you can download this reference onto your computer and then you can print it out or put it on a separate device and you're going to painting along with me and everyone. For this Friday, 8 to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, this would be the reference we're going to use. And I also prepared the line drawing for these two references. You can download them. Every week I will upload the new reference and drawings in the same page here. Let's click on Dashboard. Come back here. We have a FAQ page. When you click on it, can answer most of your questions. If you have a question that you don't find the answer over here, let's come back to Dashboard. On the right hand side, there's a linked email to Yong. When you click on it, and it will open the email. And when you type the email to me, I will respond to you. We also have a figure classroom on the left hand side. You can take a look at the figure classroom that I use for members to learn figure drawing and human anatomy. We also have a Facebook group for members. If you have a Facebook account and you would like to upload your artwork and participate in the member discussion. When you first get here, you first need to ask to join. Some member admin on this group will invite you in. You can click on the media and click on album. Create your own album. Let's come back to Dashboard. At the bottom on the left hand side, we have a wish lists. Every member can post your wishes under the different lists. One is the online classes. One of the wish from Laurie. So this could be one of the future classes. You can type it in and put your name next to it. Next time when I come here, I will see your wish. You can put your wish for a Friday painting together. This is part of the member benefits. You can participate and give your wishes for all our future activities. Let's come back to the dashboard. On the right hand side over here, you see the link for change password, edit profile. And the same thing, you can do that at the top over here, my profile. You can click here, click on change password. In the future, I might come to your country, your city. If you put your country and the state, it will help me to determine the activities that I'm going to do when I get to your area. And the sign up area, if classes or programs available for you, it will list under here. For the interactive critiques, there's no coupon code, but all other classes and workshop, for example, you're going to select the oil painting program, put coupon code to receive your 25% discount. So this is how you sign up to future classes and workshops. Reference Images is a website inside EnjoyingArt only for members. Let's take a look at it. All the images are organized under these 6 different albums. For example, people. We have 335 images. If you click here, photo references that I already used for our past lessons or going to be used for our future references. If you have a good reference that you would like to be considered to put into the website over here, you can directly email your image to me. I can add it to the library for you. You can browse through the bottom navigation. You can go to the second one and the third one. Also, you can do a search. For example, I'm looking for a reference that is a girl. All the images with keyword girl will show up on the list over here. And the same thing, you can search dog. And all the images that match your criteria. Very easy to find the images that you're looking for. Let's come back to the main. Just click on the logo, EnjoyingArt. It brings you back to the main page. At the bottom over here is the last edition. If I tell you, I just uploaded an image, so you don't need to do a search. If the image is just uploaded this couple days, the chances you will see it at the bottom over here. If you click on the home, it will bring you back to your dashboard. Let's take a look at the Learning Center. And now you came into the Learning Center. Many of these lessons are not available for the public on YouTube, but you can see them over here without any advertising. It organized under different libraries. The first one is Drawing Basics. When you click on Go to Library, it will open the library to get inside. And the second one is Watercolor Basics. The third one is Watercolor Animals. And Watercolor Landscape, Portrait Drawing, Watercolor Portrait, and Opaque Painting, including all lessons using opaque medium, like oil, acrylic, critique times, including all the past critiques to members. Many members find these libraries very helpful. The next one is Landscape Challenge, and Figure Drawing, Perspective, Pen and Ink and Wash, and Digital Art, and Special Lessons. I would highly recommend that all members start from the library of Drawing Basics. Let's take a look inside. Go to Library. At the top over here, there are very basics. I would like you to go through them. You'll always learn something from each video. And then you can all the way coming down over here from line drawing to see the proportion to shading and local colors. Let's talk about Save Progress. This website can help you to save your progress to help you to remember what lessons you already done. When you click on the image of the video, it will open a player. You can view each video right on the same page. After you finish the viewing the video, I would suggest you to do some exercise with the information you just learned. When you think, oh, I already finished this video, and you can click on Done. After you click on Done, click on the top button, Save Progress. And now, the computer already remembered this for you. Next time when you come back over here, you can see what lessons you already finished. Right from here, you can directly go back to the dashboard, or you can click on the reference website. Also, you can go to the index of this learning center. I want to take a look at Watercolor Animal. If you go to library, and you can go one lesson at a time. Maybe you think, oh, it would be great if I can have the photo reference. Okay, let's take a look at this video. Oh, painting a cat lying in the sun. Okay, I'm going to click on the reference. I'm going to come to do a search. First, I'm going to search, say cat, to see how many cats image over here. I can see that. This is a cat, one of the lessons that you saw. And let's come back over here. This is the cat. And then you can click on the image to open the larger version. And then you can right mouse click and then save image as and save it to your computer. And then you can start using it for your painting exercise. After you save your image, you can click on this image one more time. You can close it. Then you can click on Home. The highlight of the EnjoyingArt is the interactive learning together on every Friday. As soon as I have the new video ready, I will send you an email from the EnjoyingArt email system. Also, every week when I have the photo reference, I also email you the reminder to come to your dashboard to the weekly painting moments to download the photo reference. You can click on Learn About Available Classes. After you click here, you can see all the way at the bottom over here, recommend equipment for the interactive learning experience. Here you can see the recommendation, the mounted holder for iPad and iPhone or other devices. You can find them on Amazon. This is a very quick tour of EnjoyingArt.com. If you have any questions, please contact me. I hope you enjoy and stay learning with us for years to come.